Hey there folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Nighttime, wow, summer's over. We're out there today trapping squirrels, and I wanted to try out this Ouell, Pieges Ouell 4-11 model squirrel trap. So I'm going to show you how to set it, okay? Set it and use it. All right, stay tuned. All right, after a long day of trapping here, I want to do a little bit of a re-review. This is a French company, or it's a French-Canadian company. Ouell, Pieges Ouell is my best shot at pronouncing. Anyway, I screwed this thing up today. It's the first time using it. I was using this in a tube trap, and I was also trapping voles. You've got to pull back the first guy all the way back, okay? And then the second guy comes all the way back. Now we are all right. This is another angle how to set this thing. Okay, this trigger wire comes back, and then you take some strength here. I've only had this for a couple days, so forgive my clumsiness. But once you get it over there, it's got an over center function. It like lets off a lot of load, and then you can rest your hand here if you want, like this. If you're sometimes setting these new traps gets a little nerve-wracking. Then you pull this one back, and it's strong, okay? And then you can put that safety back on there and rest your hands, okay? Because you can't do nothing wrong. Now this is gonna go right under there. And I'm sorry I'm shooting this at night, but I just got back from a day of trapping. Okay, that's gonna go like that, and when you let up, the pressure of this spring is going to pull up on that pin. I've got the safety on, so it's okay to put my hands right here. Once the safety is off like this, I wouldn't, fiddle around with that trigger. It's not going to catch you. The killing part is down here. So you put your finger down there and it goes off, you're going to break your finger. Anyway, that's good and set. And then when you put your lure in the back here, skewer your apple or peanut butter covered whatever goodness in the back, and then to set it, now it's totally ready to go, and any critter that goes in the front of that thing is going to be taken out. All right.